What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go. As you guys know, I had done a series using Eco Style gel, and I said that I would continue that series but using a different gel. That's what I'm going to do today. So the gel I'm going to be using today is the Naturals Lemongrass Super Twisting. I got the twisting butter. Hold on. Sorry about that. Packaging looks just alike. So I'm going to be using the Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. I put a lot of you guys onto this, and recently I've seen more people using it, but it used to be I didn't hear anybody talking about it. So I'm going to be using that gel for this series because it is a strong hold gel, and you guys are wanting some combinations with stronger holding gels that'll get you 7 days. So that's what I'm going to try to do. What I'm doing right now is putting some Untie the Knot Leave-In in my hair because I'm going to use it as the leave-in, and I didn't have this downstairs, so I'm applying it now, and I'm going to try to put it all over. So what I will say is that I did co-wash my hair. I did not shampoo it. So hopefully my hair is good and clean, which I think it is because I didn't have a lot on it. The reason I co-washed is because the only thing was on it was mousse and a very light gel, which is the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera gel. And so it was only in my hair a few days, and I didn't think that it built up or my hair was dirty enough that I needed to do a full shampoo. So with that being said, I went on and just used a co-wash because it's winter and I want to keep as much moisture in my hair as possible, especially while using this styling gel, because this gel has a very strong hold. You can actually get ramen noodle hair if you're not careful with it. So I thought, well, let me co-wash, keep some moisture in. And when I wet my hair just to rinse out the aloe vera gel and the mousse that I had in it previously, my hair felt really good. I'm putting one squirt. My hair felt really good and moisturized. It didn't feel dried out or anything like that. So then I went in with the co-wash. Co-wash made it feel good. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't even use a rinse out conditioner. Yep, didn't even use a rinse out conditioner because my hair was already detangled with the co-wash. So I didn't need to use a rinse out conditioner to detangle. And then because I co-washed, I didn't want to go in with a deep conditioner because I didn't think I needed it. My hair feels so good right now. So even these sections right here that has nothing on it, you can see that they are defined and juicy and they feel good. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the leave-in to these two sections here, and then we'll start applying the gel. Okay, now that I have all the leave-in in my hair, we're going to go ahead and start adding the Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. So this is the texture of it. Very gelatinous, very gelatinous. Let's say that, very gelatinous. And it definitely has some hold. I did get a little bit of warm water here just in case I need it, but I'm gonna try to do my hair without having to add any warm water if I don't need to. But this is my hair with the leave-in in. So what I was saying was, because it's winter, remember in a previous video I said I was going to try to start using more co-washes, implementing co-washes again in my routine. I never stopped, but I started using more shampoos than I was co-washing. And so, make sure y'all get that rubbed between your fingers. So yeah, I wanted to co-wash, and I thought today was a good time because I didn't have a whole lot of heavy stuff in my hair. Now, when I put a whole lot of heavy gels in my hair, like the Ecos and stuff like that, then I will, you know, use a shampoo. So see how you can get ramen noodle hair with this? So be real careful with it. And yeah, I probably could have deep conditioned to be on the safe side to make sure that my hair stays moisturized, because this gel can be a little drying if you use too much of it. So I'm gonna try to go in with just a little bit less. So try not to use too much. But one of you actually gave me this combo using the Trelux leave-in, Untie the Knot Leave-in with it. So yeah, I'd never tried these two together. So I wanted to see, you know, how it worked and go from there. So yeah, we're gonna see. I do think that it's almost time for me to get my hair trimmed again. And what I might do is see if my cousin will trim it. She used to, she was a beautician, and then she transitioned into doing massages. So that's who does my massages now. But maybe I can talk her into just trimming my hair for me, so I don't have to do it myself, because I still haven't really found a stylist. Anyway. And my hair feels really good. I'm not sure if I need to add water, but I'm adding it just to try to keep this gel from being too hard on my ends. And you notice I'm not coiling my ends today, so let's hope let's hope I got enough product on them. Yeah, I just want to make sure that they coil up. Let me put some more on these ends. I haven't used this gel in a while, so I'm trying to get used to it again. Because normally I would slather it on and my hair would be ramen noodly, and then I would go in and use one of my hair milks and add it to it to fluff it out and soften it up, and that would work. I actually have a video of me doing that. I'll link it here so you guys can see in case you want to use that method, and that'll definitely get you 7 days or longer using this gel. But to me, I don't actually need 7 days, but I still want to show you how it looks, and I want to try some new, you know, leave-ins with it. And hopefully I can get it where I don't have to use a milk to fluff it out and stop it from looking like ramen noodle hair, if that makes sense. I hope y'all are vibing with me, knowing what I'm talking about, because I got a lot of things going through my head and I don't know if I'm being clear or not. So we're gonna see how I was making my hair look. My hair is usually clumped together, but again, I normally put my leave-in in the shower as well, but I didn't have it down there, and I wanted you guys to see me apply that leave-in to let you see how it just sinks into my hair. And I wanted you to see how my hair looked just by using a co-wash and no conditioner or deep conditioner on it. So I thought it looked pretty good. Hopefully it came across on camera looking good. Well, no, I don't know. But anyway, guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna add a little bit of water just because it looks like it's getting frizzy. It doesn't feel dry at all. It actually feels really good, like I said. But I just want to alleviate some of the frizz, and I'm just getting a little bit of the gel, putting it through my hair, and then rubbing it on, trying to get up close to the roots. So this gel for me has worked with Camille Rose. I've used it with Camille Rose. I'll link them here. I used it with Camille Rose. I've used it with the Twist Butter. I've used it with I thought I used it with the Curl-Aid Moisture Butter. I think I've used it with the, I can't remember everything I've used it with, but I've used it with other stuff. I just haven't used it with this. So I wanted to see how it worked with this. And I wanted to use some of you guys' combos. So that's what we're doing. Okay. So get some on my ends. Okay guys, so you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and just do these two and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got all the product applied to my hair. Still got a lot in here, so it's still about right here. Was filled up to the top, now it's about right to there. And hopefully I didn't use too much. Hopefully I used enough. Like I said, it's been a while since I used it. I used to use it all the time, especially when I liked really defined hair and I had gotten away from the eco and stuff like that. And then when I started liking the fluffier, bigger hair, I kind of got away from it, but I still like it. So this is what it looks like. And back in the day when I used to use it, what I will say about it is that it definitely made your hair shine. It gave your hair a nice shine. It laid the edges. So hopefully it'll do that same thing this time. Anyway guys, let me get under the dryer and I will be back once it's dry to let you guys see the results. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back and my hair is dry. So I will say that my curls look a lot smaller than they normally do. My curls do have a cast. I can feel the crunch on there, so that's good for those of you who want to know that. And yeah, so this is what it's looking like right now. I think what I'm going to try to do is what I did with the Eco, and I'm just going to pull down on my hair, squeeze on it, and try to scrunch that crunch off. Yeah, still got a crunch. Now, if you scrunch your crunch with oil, that probably would help, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm going to stretch it with heat and see what it does. So yeah, guys, I'll be back. Give me a second. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I stretched it a little bit with heat, so it's a little bit bigger. I will say that it still has a lot of definition on the ends. Actually all the way through it. It's still very defined. It's not crunchy, but it does have, well, a little bit of the ends are crunchy since I didn't really put the heat on those. But this part is not crunchy, but you definitely can feel a hold on it. So, but it is movable and it definitely will last me multiple days. I probably could definitely get 7 days out of this for me in the way that I like my hair. It'll probably get bigger over the days and I'm okay with that. But like I said, definitely has definition and it definitely has hold. And again, you don't have to stretch yours with heat, which kind of softens the hold. You can definitely use bands if you want to. You could not stretch it at all if you don't want to and let it just do what it does over the days, and you won't have any problem. You definitely can get 7 days out of this wash and go. So right now, I think these two are a nice pairing. I don't have any flakes or anything like that. I put on my black shirt. I don't have any flakes. My hair looks healthy. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, so I like that. I will definitely try to come back on day 3 to let you see how it is holding up. So yeah, guys, but for me right now, I'm gonna say I like this combo. I will put the person's name on the screen who mentioned this combo to me, and yeah, I think it looks nice. I'm not mad at it at all. So yeah, guys, if you have tried the lemongrass, why do I keep picking up the twisting butter? If you have tried the lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel, let me know what you pair it with in the comment section below so we all can learn from you. I would love to get some other combos to use with this gel. This is another harder holding gel like I did with Eco, so I am planning on using this a few more times with different leave-ins or creams to bring that to you and see how it works and see which one is my favorite. Hopefully when I get done doing all these wash and go combos, I can come up with my favorite combos video or something like that. Maybe for harder holding gels. I think I did one already for softer holding gels and fluffier looks, so I'll need to do one with harder holding gels. So yeah, leave your combos in the comment section. I'd appreciate it. Okay guys, coming on to show you third day hair using the Untie the Knot by Trelux and the Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel by Allocate Naturals. This is third day hair. I will say I didn't do a lot yesterday, didn't go anywhere, so didn't really do anything to my hair. Haven't done anything to my hair today besides just fluff it up and get on here for you guys to see it. And it has a lot of definition. I can still feel the hold on it. So I think that this is a good combination. It hasn't flaked, and I'll try to come back. Maybe I'll try to come back on day 5 and see how it looks thin to show you guys that thin. So if I don't come back, maybe I'll just put a picture in. But yeah, guys. Hey guys, just wanted to pop in and show you 5th day hair. 5th day hair, and it still looks good. But I am gonna wash it tomorrow. It's the end of the evening, getting ready to take this face off, what little I got on, wash my face and everything, and tie my hair down so I can wash it tomorrow. Because I do have somewhere I need to be this weekend, and I want it to look as good and as fresh as possible. But guys, this still looks good, if I do say so myself. I'm thinking about trying to stretch it, but I just don't want to end up regretting it later. So we'll see, but I want to show you 5th day hair. This is using the Allocate Naturals Lemongrass Hold It Gel and the Trelux leave-in. So it's a great combo. So yeah, let me know what you think about this wash and go. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.